Hi guys, this is the unboxing of Evenflo Victory Jogging Travel System with the LiteMax 35 infant car seat that we just got from Walmart. It was on a Black Friday sale for 250 Canadian dollars. So yeah, and we haven't found any nice reviews on YouTube, so we decided just to make our own. So here we go. The reason we are actually getting a jogging stroller is not because we like to jog, which we do sometimes, I guess, but because we live in Alberta, Canada, and we get a lot of snow here. And it's just more, we figured it would be more convenient to use a jogging travel system than, one of those basic strollers. And then we've been checking for infant car seats as well. And we found out that it's at least 200 Canadian dollars. So we decided just to go for the set because it was only $50 extra. So let's see, hopefully it's a good deal. So this is the jogging stroller. I think it weighs, the jogging stroller just weighs 23 pounds, and the infant car seat is only 7.4 pounds. And we actually got to feel the weight in the store, and it felt pretty light. It has a car base, which is pretty standard. Oh, and the base is already installed. So you can use it starting 4 pounds up to 35 pounds. So you can use it from when your kid is born and until 35 pounds, which is I think the highest value for the infant car seats. Nice, yeah, looks great. Does it feel light?
I wouldn't say it's very light. It's
a
little bit, yeah.
Yeah, because the base is on, but when you carry it, it's gonna be without the base. Yeah, that's fine.
Be much better.
I thought we had to assemble it, but everything is actually assembled here.
I don't know how to do this with one hand.
Yeah, I can see.
Oh, this is the one I do. It's definitely the one we saw in the store, actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's much better.
So this is the
So okay, let's do the base.
Mm-hmm.
It has this mod here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this tells you how much you can recline it. Oh, we thought it wouldn't be regulating in here, so this way you can adjust the position of the seat. This is great. Okay.
Right, so we're done with the base.
It's carriage.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Now
All
it's
right.
like lighter. Without
Yeah.
the base, it's
Yeah, so I think
lighter.
the without the base it's a little bit over 7 pounds. So yeah, pretty easy to carry. Plus the baby, how many pounds is he gonna be? Yeah.
This is how it So this you can actually remove and wash if it's dirty or if you don't want to use it.
Yeah, this is washable.
Yeah.
But not this part, huh? No, this also you can remove.
Yeah, it comes off. So you can remove it.
Oh, this is great.
And wash it and yeah.
Cool. Okay, we can move to the
good option.
jogging stroller, I guess.
Okay, so this to be. Well, I've never opened this before.
There is the first time for everything, right? So also everything is assembled here. Oh, you just need to install the wheels.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do it.
The wheels look pretty thick and durable, actually. Wow.
Oh, they're already inflated.
And they are already pumped.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's do this. I don't know which one is right and which one is left, but I'll just guess.
Didn't it say on the package?
No, I did not read.
Ah,
But I think it should be straightforward.
okay. Well, let's just try. Or you think they're just the same, huh?
So, there is like a brake here.
Mm-hmm. From both sides.
Yeah.
Nice.
And now let's do the other part. This is the front wheel.
Mm-hmm. The front wheel is a little smaller.
For the front wheel, I guess you'd need some tool.
So the cool thing about this jogging stroller, or as they call it, the travel system, is that you can use it with the infant car seat, and then after the baby grew out of that car seat, you can just put them directly in the stroller.
So here is this tool here.
And the manual, very important. A little bit here. Yeah, yep.
So this is how you will fix this bolt here.
Yeah, so no need to have any fancy tools, you guys.
This is how you fix this one here.
Cool.
It's pretty easy, like super easy to do it.
Yeah.
Very easy.
So basically you just need to unfold it and attach the 3 wheels and the tray, the baby tray, and that's it.
So I'm just gonna create a little bit.
Yeah. Perfect. You look like a new dad. Not a new dad. You look like an experienced dad.
So you have like a vent here. I don't know if you can see it.
There is some paper inside. So.
It has like a lot of vents. And here you can put your phone too. So it's very easy to like.
Oh.
phone there.
Oh, this is great.
It fits.
You can watch some YouTube videos, huh?
Yeah, you can. I think even the cup holder is like pretty standard.
Yeah.
And here it would be just for the.
Just for the
For the
baby.
baby.
For their sippy cup or something. How are the brakes?
Yeah, they're like
Okay.
I can't even push more.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the brakes work. That's what we can
like,
say.
yeah, they work pretty fine.
And there is that
So-
that compartment in the middle where you can put your bag or something, right? Mhm.
Yeah. So this is the product here. But the next part would be that you can fit the car seats in here.
Oh, let's try that.
Yeah.
So we've struggled with fixing the car seat in the stroller, but then we figured it out. And the best way to put the seat in place is just to press on these buttons to install it in place, and to make sure the buttons align with the holes. And then instead of pressing the car seat down, you just have to press on the tray. Then it clicks and it's fixed in place. That's it. So don't press on the car seat.
Just gonna do it one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty easy if you press on the tray. Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Now, how to fold this? Just gonna show you this way. So, there are two pins. I don't know if you can see them. Number one.
Yeah, you have to pull on these pins.
Number
It
one
says
and number two.
number 1 here and number 2.
Goes like straight away like this.
Oh, that seems easy.
Yep. And this is how it folds, like this. So if you have a big car, you can leave it this way, otherwise you can remove the wheels.
We measured our trunk and it seems like it is going to fit in our car, even though we don't have an SUV. But in case it doesn't, the wheels are really easy to be removed.
So you press here, down, you can move it. And this one as well, you press. Moves. So yeah, it gives you more space.
Yep. Perfect.
So how to fold it is pretty easy. You only have to push this one here, this one here, and you have a latch here. So you have to pull it like outwards. There.
Nice.
Just remember this latch here. Okay.
All right.
Yes, we're good.
That's it.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, don't bump into stuff. Yeah, it looks nice.
So yeah, to remove it, it's super easy. You only have to, there is a handle here, and you have to pull it towards you like this, and it comes out.
Oh, that's easy.
Very easy. Yeah.
Cool.
And yes, this is the travel system.
Do you
Like,
wanna?
this is the first time for me doing it, and honestly I didn't have to look at the instruction manual. And yeah, you can probably let us know in the comments if we did anything wrong, or
We are gonna link the product in the description. And yeah, let us guys know what you think. See you in the next video.